Hey there, my name's John Camp. I spent 20 years as a local TV reporter and anchor, and I want to share some very simple tips about how you can make great quality videos using just your phone. Today we'll talk about the art of the interview selfie. Right? This is great for Zoom meetings, video blogs, FaceTime, Facebook Live, anytime you want to talk to the camera in a controlled setting. In the next couple minutes, I'll tell you everything you need to know to make yourself look as good as possible in a digital interview. We'll cover three things: video, location, and audio. Starting with video. You want to look professional, you can't have the shakes. There are some really easy ways to prop up your phone. If you're shooting vertically, say Facebook Live, a shoe works great. If you're shooting horizontally, which should be most of the time, try this. Take a plastic cup and cut some slits in the sides. You've got a terrific tripod. Next, location. Light is critical. You need a good light source, and it needs to be in front of you, on your face. Indoor light works fine if you have a good lamp, but if you're recording during the day, try using a window. Natural light looks great. So figure out your light source, then figure out what to put your phone on. You want it as close to eye level as possible. If you're sitting at a table, stack up some books until you get the right height. If you have a bookshelf next to a window, try using that. There are any number of ways to get the right height. Just make sure your phone is stable and you are comfortable. Finally, audio. Our phones actually do a great job with sound, but you have to be pretty close to make it work well. 2 to 3 feet is about right. And background noise, watch that. If there's a lot of stuff going on around you, you might have to get a little closer. Once you have all that down, it's time to see what you've got. Grab your phone, get into your camera application, go to your video setting, turn the picture around so you're looking at yourself, and set it in your tripod so you can start framing yourself up. Leave a little room above your head, about as much room as the top of your head itself actually. Cut yourself below, round your sternum, and then hit record. Say a few things, and see what you've got. Listen to your audio, make sure it sounds okay. Leave a little room above your head, about as much as the top of your head itself actually. Check your video, check your light, make sure your video isn't too dark or too bright. Make sure you know where you're looking. Where is the lens on your phone? Make sure that it's level, and then make sure you've double checked your surroundings. Make sure there's nothing distracting going on. Truth is, just about anybody can make a video these days. The trick is making it look good. Follow these basic steps, and when it comes to one of these interview selfies, you'll look as good as it gets.